Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, I am your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, we are going to study of subject computer chapter 8 movements of a sprite. In previous video we have already studied on this chapter. We have movements of a sprite. On that we have studied on two subtopics, that is creating a new sprites, okay, and making appearance of a sprite. So let's start the movements of a sprite. So we will start from making a sprite saying something. Today we will going to study about the making a sprite saying something. See here, the sprite is used, okay, the sprite is used a speech bubble to show text on the stage. Let us create projects to make a sprite say something. Means whenever we are using a project on a Scratch, we are just giving a script to the sprites, giving a command script to the sprite, and sprite is working on the stage as per the script. Suppose if you want to want that the sprite must be say something on the stage, so that also we can do. How we can do? We can use a speech bubble, which we can use a speech bubble. A sprite always uses a speech bubble to show text on the stage. So how it can be created in a project to make a sprite say something? We have to follow some steps. With the help of that steps, we can just make a sprite to say something on the project. So let's start the steps. The first one is, see here, the first one is open a new project in Scratch. First what we will do? First we will open a new project in the Scratch. I have already teach you in the previous video how you can create a new Scratch, okay. So when you will open a new project, then create a script from the cat sprite using the blocks from the different blocks list. Okay, all of you know that we have 10 categories of blocks. We have 10 categories of blocks. With the help of that blocks, we can make a script on a script area. So first we have to create a script for the cat sprite by using the blocks from the different blocks list. The script should appear similar to figure 8.7. The script when you will do this, I will show you, it will be appear similar to figure 8.7 figure. See here, this is the figure 8.7. I will show you. This is the figure. Like this, you can be able to see the sprites. Here, this is in figure. Okay, sprites is saying something. See here, this is a speech bubble. Sprite is saying hello. So with the help of this all these blocks, whichever is required, we will make a script. All these are the scripts. We can make a scripts on a script. All these are the what? All these are the block palettes. With the help of all these block palettes, we will make a script. With the help of all these block palettes, we will make a script in a script area, and and make the sprite to say something on the projects. Next point is what? Just let's go to the next point. See here, this is the third point now. In third point, from the look block menu, we will use the which block we will use? We will use look block menu. And from look block menu we will use say hello blocks in the script. Means from look block menu you will click on the open the look block menu, and from there you will use a look block palette that is say hello. You will use a block palette say hello. This blocks allows the sprite to say the text in the speech bubble. With the help of this block, we can able to allow the sprite to say something in the text in the speech bubble. To say the text in the speech bubble, which I have already shown you in figure. That here by default hello is written inside the white edible field of the block. Whenever you are opening this, you can able to see there by default already it's hello should be written there. Already hello is written there. You can type anything inside the block, and if you want to change that hello, you can type anything on that particular block. The sprite will say the same text on the stage, and whatever the words, whatever the things you will write on that speech bubble text box, the sprite will be say the same text on the stage. Once the script is completed, click on it. Okay, observe that the sprite will move, change its costume and say hello on the stage. See here, I will show you. See here, once you will select the by default here the hello will be there. Okay, if we want to change the text, you can write anything in the place of hello. In the place of hello, you can write anything that you want, and the sprite will say the same thing that you have written in the text. Once the script is completed, the sprite will moves according to the script. How much you will again you are clicking on this script, the move will give the action related to the script. So by this we can make a sprite to say something on the stage. So now let's go to the another. See here, observe, you have already observed. Now see your cat sprite is saying hello. Okay, how many times you will click on it, it will says the hello. Here see here, there is a our practice school. This is for you that you have to do the practice. See here it's given create the script similar to figure A. Means see here what you will say, first you have to create the similar to figure A. Means first you have to create a script as given here in the figure. See here it's given here same as it is. I will show you. We have to make a script. It's given here now like this. We have to make a scripts. Okay, the changing size by 10 block from the look block menu changes the size of a sprite by a specific amount. Means the changing size by change size by block, that is look block menu. Means first we will see here, we will click on the look block menu. From look block menu you will take changing size by 10. See here it is given here changing size by 10. So when you will take this block palette changing size by 10, see here the changes look block menu changes the size of a sprite by a specific amount. Means when you will take this, the look block menu will change the size of a sprite. It will change the size of a sprite by a specific amount. Means by every 10 steps it will change the differences. By every 10 steps it will change the differences. Can you able to see here? Just see here, it's changing the differences. Okay, you can change the number inside the blocks. Even if you want to more than 10, if you want to keep it here 20, we can change the numbers also. we can change the numbers inside that. You can put on the place of 10 you can put 20 also. Okay, 25, 15, whatever you want, you can change it. The okay, the greater the number, the more is the change in the size of the sprites. Means how much the number will be greater, you will put, there is a more changes, and more changes in the size of the sprite should be able to see on the stage of the scratch window. Then third, run the script by clicking on it and observe the sprite increasing its size. Means now once the script is completed, just click on it, keep clicking on it. How much you will click, you can observe that the sprite increasing its size. You can observe that the sprite is increasing its size. So students, when you will come to the school, I will just show this activity we will do in the computer lab also. We will go through on it. Once you will have to get a chance to do on a computer, you will do it and show me. Okay, so by this now we will go to the next, that is what? Control block menu. Control block menu. So what is control block menu? Okay, in this, the control block menu contains blocks that controls the execution of a scripts. Control block menu contains what? Control block menu, we are using we have total 10 categories of blocks. In that we have one block, that is control block menu, and it helps us to contains blocks that control the executions of a script. It helps us to control the executions of a script. It has blocks to pause in between script. Repeat some blocks for a specific number of time. This block has a pause in between a script. Means स्क्रिप्ट के बीच में अगर हमें पॉज करना है तो ये चीज़ें हमें कंट्रोल ब्लॉक मेन्यू में मिलेंगी. रिपीट सम ब्लॉक्स फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, और रन, अगर हमें रिपीट करना है या फिर कई नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स में सेम ब्लॉक्स को, या फिर हमारे स्क्रिप्ट को रन करना है बिना एनी पॉज के, तो ऑल दिस बटन्स वी आर गेटिंग in the control block menu. So got it student? With the help of control block menu, we can control the executions of a script. See here in info box there are some note point is given here. There is a red stop button. The red stop button placed at the top right corner of the stage is used to stop the running script at any time during execution. Means on the scratch window at the top right corner of the stage we have a red stop button here. With the help of this red stop button we can stop the running scripts at any time during the execution. Means whenever you are working on your scripts, if you want to stop the running of the scripts, you can just click on the red stop button. With the help of this red stop button you can stop the running scripts. Okay, so students, this is the info box. So by this we have completed today's explanation. Today we have studied about the control blocks menus, and also what we will study I will show you again. So we will study about creating a scratch window, making appearance of a sprite, and today in this video we have studied about making a making a sprite say something, and then we have studied about the some other is, that is control block menus. We have studied about the control block menu. In this we have studied how it works, and then we have studied in info box, that is red button. See here, that is what? Red button, red stop button. What is the uses of red stop button? You know, it is available on the top right corner of the stage, and it is used to stop the running of the running script. So guys, now remaining subtopics I will explain you in the next video So please just go through on this video and be active with your studies. In previous video I have sent you the explanation of this chapter subtopics. Even I sent you the PDF of chapter 7's book exercises and question and answer. So students, please complete your books and fair copies with the help of PDFs and just go through on it, go through the teaching notes also, and keep yourself safety. Thanks for listening me on the okay. So thank you, stay safe, stay healthy, bye.